The last presenter of this session, I would invite Mr. Zahid Ali. He is LLM scholar from University of Sindh Jamshoro, and the title of his paper is Toward Legal and Judicial Reforms in Pursuit of Transforming the Justice System. Mr. Zahid Ali.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zahid Ali, and I am LLM scholar in University of Sindh. Today my topic is towards legal and judicial reforms in pursuit of transforming the justice system in Pakistan. Until and unless we are unable to figure out the problems and issues in our justice system, we will not be able to transform our justice system. Therefore, the first part of my slides and presentation is to highlight the core issues that are faced with our judicial system. At the moment, our judicial system is beset with heavy backlogs. In Supreme Court of Pakistan, the number of pending cases is almost 54,000, and the total in Apex Court cases are 3,59,837. Thereafter, the next slide focus on the lower judiciary. The almost 16,72,779 cases are pending in lower judiciary. This is the heavy backlog that has created number of problems in our judicial system. After that, this is the report of Law and Justice Commission of Pakistan 2023, in which they have highlighted the number of cases, just like 1.86 million cases are pending before the district judiciaries. Then 2.26 million cases are pending before the higher judiciary. And this is the pathetic situation of our judicial system that has ranked 138th out of 140 countries in the world across the globe. This is a very pathetic situation of the judicial system of Pakistan. This is a rank that has been described by the Law and Justice Project. Thereafter, these are the some factors and the comparison between the judiciary of Pakistan and the global judiciary. Just like there are 2.26 million cases are pending in Pakistan and 47 million in India, 4,50,000 in USA. Then judge to population ratio, Pakistan only 17 judges per 1 million, then 21 judges in India per million, and Germany is the top. 240 judges are on per million, means there are 240 on per million justices. Their average case disposal time in Pakistan, the legal suit takes decades and decades. This is the similar condition in India, but in USA the case takes 7 to 9 months. In Germany it takes only 1 to 2 years. Similarly, in UK it takes only 2 to 3 years. But in Scandinavian countries, just like in Denmark, Norway, and Sweden, it takes just 6 to 12 months. Therefore they are on the top, and their judiciary is number 1, 2, and 3 in Scandinavian countries. After that, these are the more causes in which Pakistan has been grappled, just like shortcomings in registration of FIR. 154 CRPC provides provision to the complainant that his statement should be recorded in writing, reduced to writing. But unfortunately, our Thana culture and other system doesn't allow complainants to lodge FIR easily. Then widespread procedural intricacies, just like in civil cases it takes times, just like our civil procedure is 1908 and criminal procedure code is 1898. These are the laws that has been developed in the colonial era, and we are still following these rules and we are unable to transform them. After that, the political interferences in our judicial system, then rampant corruption is also discouraged our judiciary, then lack of accountability. There is no any mechanism of accountability in our judicial system, and judge cannot be made accountable. After that, these are some suggestions. This is the second part of slides and presentation. The first suggestion: objectivity and accountability in the judges appointment process. There is no any such accountability in the appointment of judges, just like they are means there is a huge nepotism, favoritism in their appointments, and just a person who is the citizen of Pakistan and having 10 years experience can become the judge. And therefore there is a dire need to reform article 175A and 177. Then there is also accountability in judicial process, protection against judicial overreach. The judiciary must be in their limits. It should not overreach the other departments, just like legislation and executive. Then there are also some other suggestions, just like there must be technology, emancipation of judicial accountability and transparency, expansion of public awareness and engagement. Public awareness means we should aware our people about their fundamental rights and legal rights through media and other campaigns. Then revision of case management mechanism. Then we must accentuate and focus on the alternative ADR, dispute resolution mechanism. Thank you.